Average Bitcoin miner versus average gold enjoyer. Which one are you? Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Shiba Inu records more than 100% increase in active whale addresses and volume despite dip. Why Bitcoin will never surpass the market cap of gold. Binance gets a new license in Canada and is now a crypto service provider in Bahrain. With around 1500% rise as of December 29, 2021, MFC tops the list of meme coins. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, Shiba Inu has had a near 100% rise in active whale addresses and volume according to Whale Stats. Shiba Inu falls 7% to $0.0000367, following the broader crypto market decline. Apparently, the meme coin is reaching new heights every day. Excited? Let's have a look at the present situation. In the previous 24 hours, the entire crypto market has declined, with Bitcoin and practically all altcoins losing value. Whale Stats evaluated data from the top 100 SHIB holders from the top 1000 ETH wallets it monitors and shared the findings on Twitter. The average SHIB balance held by these significant businesses has climbed by 2.37% to 2.635 billion in the previous 24 hours, and the active addresses have expanded by 100% to 14, while the volume has surged by nearly 90% to $17,517,915 as of press time. Shiba Inu maintains the largest token stake by dollar value among ETH whales and the second largest holding behind Ethereum, according to Whale Stats. According to Whale Stats statistics, the number of Shiba Inu owners continues to rise, now totaling 1,097,907 dogs. According to Into the Block, huge Shiba Inu trades have increased by 10%. Large transactions are those that move more over than $100,000. Shiba Inu is the 13th most valuable stock, trading at $0.0000362 at press time. Since the digital asset's mainstreaming, it has been contested against gold at various points. Enthusiasts have now agreed to refer to the former as digital gold, while maintaining their belief that Bitcoin would eventually replace gold as the primary store of value. Despite the asset's rise, however, not all Bitcoin fans appear to agree with this viewpoint. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. Billionaire Ray Dalio is a proponent of Bitcoin and has spoken out in favor of the digital currency on several occasions, but it appears that Dalio does not believe Bitcoin will ever replace gold. In a recent podcast interview with Lex Fridman, the billionaire investor discusses both assets and why he believes Bitcoin will never reach gold in market capitalization. In an interview with Friedman, the millionaire explained why Bitcoin would never be able to replace gold. He compares Bitcoin's traceability to gold, which he claims is untraceable since it is not linked. Furthermore, gold is a widely recognized store of value, whereas Bitcoin is anticipated to be used by just a tiny fraction of the world's population as an investment and a store of value. However, Dalio did not fully reject Bitcoin's value. The billionaire praised Bitcoin, declaring that despite its inability to function as a currency owing to its volatility, the digital asset has proven itself. Because it has never been hacked and continues to operate according to its original programming, the digital asset has proven to be a safe way to invest. It has demonstrated its worth. It hasn't been hacked, and it has worked in such a remarkable fashion over the last 11 years to be the most talked about issue among many people, Dalio remarked. It has been utilized and is now considered to have imputed worth. So moving forward with our next segment for today, Bitcoin has acquired preliminary approval to operate in Bahrain as a crypto asset service provider. Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange, has been granted a business license in Canada. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, continues its global development as a regulator-friendly exchange one step at a time. Following its license application, it gained in-principle approval from the Central Bank of Bahrain to operate as a crypto asset service provider in Bahrain. The clearance acknowledges Binance's resolve to fully comply with legal standards as well as our larger commitment to anchor operations and activities in Bahrain, stated Binance founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao. CBP is the first body in the Middle East and North Africa to give Binance entity in principle approval. However, despite CBB clearance, the crypto exchange must still complete the entire application process. Furthermore, CZ stated that global regulatory approval will pave the way for the widespread usage of crypto and blockchain, especially the pro-crypto CBB, which is working hard to create a crypto asset framework that adheres to worldwide anti-money laundering, counter-terrorism financing, transaction monitoring, and consumer protection standards. CZ stated that the convergence of TradeFi and DeFi will provide consumers with the best of both worlds, facilitating secure crypto investments in general. National regulators such as the Central Bank of Bahrain must recognize and approve crypto and blockchain to generate trust and aid mass adoption. It establishes a baseline for safe acceptance and implementation by linking established financial systems and the crypto industry. Binance's global expansion speed has increased dramatically since it chose the centralized route. It also received a crypto finance license from Canadian officials at the time as it is announced its Bahrain triumph. In terms of trading volume, Binance is now the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally. Following the development mentioned earlier, Binance aims to expand its global reach once more. So wrapping up with our final segment for today, without any further ado, let me tell you that the top meme coin for today is MFC. With a surge of over 1500%, let's have a look at some stats and its biodata. Today's multi-farm capital price is $8.57 USD with $165,130 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our MFC to USD pricing is updated in real time. In the last 24 hours, multi-farm capital has gained 1,563% of its value. With a live market cap of not available, the current coin market cap ranking is 4147. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 1,000 trillion MFC coins. Multifarm Capital is an Ethereum-based yield farming and profit-sharing platform that was created and deployed in 2017. Trading transaction fees are gathered in a treasury, which is then used to farm yields on other blockchains. We do it because it helps us save money on petrol. The earnings are subsequently utilized to repurchase MFC in order to boost the stock's value. Furthermore, holders receive a share of transaction fees in MFC tokens. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.